My beloved child, listen closely to my voice today, for I am speaking healing over you. I see the pain that you've been carrying in your body, the silent cries you hide behind your smile, and the fear that whispers to your heart when the nights feel too long and uncertain. But I am the Lord who heals you. I am not far away from your suffering. I am near to the brokenhearted, and my hands still hold the power to restore what sickness has stolen. When I breathed life into you, I placed within you a divine spark that sickness cannot destroy, for my spirit lives in you. And I say to you now, rise, beloved, and believe that I am working even when you cannot see. You may have prayed many times and felt as though I was silent, but know this, my silence was not absence. It was preparation. I have been aligning every cell in your body, every thought in your mind, every piece of your spirit to be made whole again. The pain that once seemed like your prison will become your testimony. For I am not finished with you yet. You are not forgotten, and you are not abandoned. You are still chosen. You are still mine. You are still held in the palm of my hand. My beloved, healing is not only what happens in the body, it begins in your spirit. When your heart trusts me fully, when you lay down your worries, healing begins to flow like living water from my throne. You do not need to chase miracles. You only need to trust the one who performs them. You have wept, and I have gathered every tear. You have prayed, and I have heard every word. Even when your strength fails, I remain your strength. Even when your faith trembles, I am your unshakable foundation. There is no sickness too deep that I cannot reach, no disease too strong that I cannot break, no pain too old that I cannot redeem. I am your creator, the same yesterday, today, and forever. I have watched you fight through pain that others could not see, and I tell you now, I am moving in your body. My light is flowing through your bloodstream, cleansing, restoring, and renewing. My peace is descending upon you like a gentle wind, calming your fears, silencing your doubts, and reminding you that you are never alone. You often ask me, Lord, how long will it take? And I whisper back, as long as it takes for your faith to rest in me. For faith is not a race, it is a walk with me. Each step you take in trust is a step closer to full restoration. You do not have to understand everything. Just believe that I am in control. Even the smallest act of faith, a single prayer, a single breath of hope, moves heaven in your favor. Do not measure my love by your circumstances. My love is constant, even when life is uncertain. There will be moments when pain tries to return, but do not fear. It is not defeat. It is just a reminder that I am still working. Your healing is unfolding layer by layer. The same power that raised my son from the grave is alive in you, working beyond what you can see. So do not give up now. You are closer to wholeness than you think. I am turning your weakness into testimony, your waiting into worship, your wounds into wisdom. And when the nights feel unbearable, remember that I do my greatest work in the dark. I grow new strength in hidden places. When you rest, I work. When you feel empty, I am pouring new life into you. So let go of the anxiety that tells you it's too late. Let go of the fear that says healing is impossible. For I am the God of the impossible, and I am already doing what you cannot see. Pause for a moment, my child, and breathe in my peace. You do not have to earn healing. It is my gift to you. You only need to receive it. Rest in me. Speak life over yourself, for your words carry power. When you say, I am healed, heaven agrees with you. When you say, I am whole, My angels move on your behalf. Do not speak defeat over your life. Speak victory, because I have already won the battle for you through my love. And if your healing takes time, trust that it is not a delay. It is design. Sometimes I use time to build endurance, to strengthen faith, to show you that healing is more than recovery. It is transformation. You will not come out of this the same way you went in. You will come out stronger, deeper in faith, and more aware of my goodness. You will tell others of my faithfulness, and through your story, many will find hope again. Take heart, beloved. Every breath you take is proof that I am still with you. Every sunrise you see is a reminder that I am not finished writing your story. Do not let despair speak louder than my promises. You may not understand everything now, but you will see that even your pain had a purpose. It taught you to depend on me, to trust me beyond what your eyes can see, and to find peace even in the waiting. If you believe that my healing power is flowing in your life right now, I want you to pause and lift your heart in gratitude. Thank me not only for what I've already done, but for what I am still doing. Gratitude is a door that opens healing even wider. It invites my presence to dwell where pain once lived. Say to your heart, God is healing me. Say it with faith, even if your body still aches, because faith sees what your eyes cannot. If this message is touching your heart, beloved, I invite you to subscribe to this channel so that my words may continue to reach you in every season of your life. Stay connected to the voice that strengthens your faith and restores your peace. You have been walking through storms, but you are not walking alone. My angels surround you, my spirit comforts you, my love guards you. I am healing you layer by layer, moment by moment. Do not rush what I am doing. Every breath, every beat of your heart, every quiet moment is part of my divine plan to restore you. You are not behind. You are right where I want you to be. Trust me in the waiting, and I will surprise you with my goodness. The world may call it a miracle, but I call it my promise. For I promised that by my stripes you are healed. That promise still stands today, stronger than ever. Believe it, declare it, and hold it close. I am renewing your mind, strengthening your heart, and breathing life into every weary place. Healing is not coming. It is already here. As you listen, my child, let go of the weight you've been carrying. That burden is not yours to bear. Hand it to me. Give me your fears about the doctor's report. Give me your sleepless nights, your anxious thoughts, your silent pain. I am your healer, and I can carry it all. I am bringing peace where there was panic, rest where there was exhaustion, and hope where there was despair. Take a moment and share this message with someone who needs healing too. You never know whose life will be touched by a word of hope. Your act of sharing may become someone's turning point toward faith and healing. My beloved, healing flows not just in the body, but in relationships, emotions, and memories. I am healing wounds from your past that you forgot still existed. I am healing disappointments that wounded your soul. I am healing the anxiety that has drained your strength. I am restoring the joy that sickness tried to steal. Every scar will become a testimony. Every pain will turn into a place of praise. Do not allow the voice of fear to control you anymore. I have not given you a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. You are not weak. You are being refined. You are not defeated. You are being prepared. Your healing will not just bless you, it will flow through you to bless others. You will lay hands on the broken and speak life into them because you know what it means to be restored by me. And when you doubt, remember this: I never leave halfway through the healing. What I start, I finish. I am faithful to complete the good work I began in you. The day will come when you will wake up and realize that the pain has lifted, the worry has vanished, and peace has filled the spaces where fear used to live. That is my promise to you. If you are receiving this promise with faith, leave your comment below saying, "Lord, I believe in your healing power." Let your declaration be a sign of your trust, for words spoken in faith are seeds that bring forth miracles. Do not be afraid of tomorrow, my child. I am already there. I am walking ahead of you, clearing the path, guarding your steps, and filling your days with light. No disease, no report, no fear can stop what I have destined for you. You are covered under my wings, safe in my hands, and wrapped in my unfailing love. And I tell you this with tenderness: do not hide from community. Healing often begins when you open your heart to my people. Surround yourself with those who speak life, who lift you up in prayer, and who remind you that you are never alone in this battle. I am in their words. I am in their prayers. I am in their love for you. Beloved, if you feel blessed by my message, I invite you to join this channel where my voice will continue to reach you with prayers and words of healing. Come closer, for I desire to walk with you daily, to strengthen your spirit and to help you live in my peace. Now rest in me. Let your mind grow quiet. Feel my presence around you. Feel my warmth upon your heart. I am healing you right now, in the silence, in the stillness, in the unseen. You do not have to understand how. Just trust that it is happening. For I am the God who restores, the one who revives, the Lord who makes all things new. And you, my beloved, are being made new this very moment. Go forward in peace. Carry my words in your heart. Let my healing light go with you, filling your home, your family, and every corner of your life. You are whole. You are loved. You are mine forever. Amen.